Here we are back at the Verde River. We got Sarah. Say hi to the folks.
Hi.
What are we doing?
Waiting to go across the river.
What are we waiting for?
Mike.
What's
Again.
Mike doing?
I don't know.
Oh, speaking
there.
of, here he comes. He didn't believe me that the other place was running too fast.
Dad, I think something died.
Okay, shh. We're doing video here.
There's something died.
Okay, that's not in the script. This is the part where Mike loses it.
That's the rock.
Oh, you got it, Mike. You got the rock. Ride that pony.
Yeah. Polaris, baby.
What'd you think?
We're not getting across that.